guys, alongside my build that I'm doing with the Spitfire in a hurry, I'm going to start this for you guys to see. It's a biggie. I've been dying to start this for ages. The US Police Motorbike, 1/8 scale, absolutely massive. Some lovely detail on there. Not the best of kits, I think. Quite an old kit, but to give you some idea of the size. There's some mud guards there, some bits and bobs. There's the bike frame, nice and big. Everything's big on this kit. Got a lot of dechroming to do because I'll be doing it in the alclad metals, so a lot of work there to clean all that off, but I shall get there. The wheels are massive. There's more wheels there, look. So really big in here. Oh. Here's the wheels. Now these wheels are the size of my mug, what I have my cup of tea in. They're massive, you know. Should be fun. So that's what's on my bench. I'm going to get on with it at some point, just shortly, next day or so, and I'll post updates as I go along, like always. So that's where we have the Revell 1/8 scale, nice and big. Like I say, I've been dying to build this, so onwards and upwards. So this will definitely run inside of my Spitfire in a hurry. That you'll see in a couple of weeks. And that's about all for now. Have a good evening.